Can I just look anywhere?
Yeah, you really can.
I love a little fourth wall break.
I know, right?
Hello.
You can take a look around. It's the Snap Chilla room.
I like it. Is this functional right here?
This is functional.
Is it?
You're already ahead of the bit because I always say before we start the show, we have to do a Polaroid together.
It's part of my lore. I'm very observant.
1, 2, 3.
Gimme lore.
Johnny, welcome to Gimme Lore.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, I'm excited to have you here. Tell me, what is the lore of Johnny Orlando?
Started on YouTube, did a whole bunch of covers, started making my own music, got signed to a record label when I was 15. Didn't work out. New record label now. Very happy. We're cooking.
We're cooking.
We're cooking.
Okay.
Album drops in a few months, and I probably wasn't supposed to say that, but it's chill. That's an exclusive.
It's
for
an
you.
exclusive. Oh no!
Because I love you. I love you.
What's the new music? What's the sound? What's the vibe?
I took like 2 years to just figure out what I wanted to write. Ended up being very much like all the stuff that I listened to growing up. We try to use the least amount of like digital stuff possible, and
Nice.
most of this was made in my homie's living room.
Oh wow.
So it's just guitars, bass. I just wanted to like feel warm and classic and hopefully timeless. If you set out to make something timeless, ain't gonna happen.
Yeah.
But hopefully that's what it ends up being.
I love that. Throwing it back to like real instruments and like a little bit of like a classic sound by the sounds of it. Yeah.
So that was the goal.
We're gonna jump into your public lore. What's the most Canadian thing that has happened to you while on a global tour?
That has happened to me?
Yeah.
People being nice to me?
I mean, that's
I guess.
fair.
But everybody's nice everywhere we go.
That's cool.
You know, we're just a nice group. You receive what you give to the world. Do you agree?
I 100% agree. So like when you're on tour, you know, it's a pretty close crew, yeah?
For sure.
Yeah.
It's funny, when I was younger and I was touring, I was like, oh my God, my dad is everywhere. Like this guy will take his eyes off me. But now it's sick.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, I'm like in my 20s. It's like, it's awesome that I get to work with my sister and my dad.
Tell us about the switch up of being signed to Position Music.
We met with a whole bunch of labels, majors and other indies. Joe, my A&R, what's up, Joe? And also a friend. Joe was the first person to say, put out some of your weirder and then drop the pop stuff later. Like, because I love doing both.
Yeah.
But all I really was doing in my younger years was like chasing that lottery.
Right.
That lottery ticket. And that's like not fulfilling artistically. And it's a gamble.
We're gonna now go play a mini game, this or that. Studio or the stage?
That's the first photo I ever posted on IG. I was recording Boyfriend by Justin Bieber cover.
Wow.
Yeah, probably stage, but I love both. I do love both.
Acoustic or electric?
Electric. It makes my fingers hurt less.
Okay. The mountains or the beaches?
I was like 15 in that. I like the mountains. I like a view. I do. I like the ocean too, though. This is a tough game, bro.
Butterfly motif or the horse motif?
Got both tattooed on me. I like the butterfly as a motif because they're still bugs. But I like horses in real life. They're majestic as hell.
They are. Have you ever ridden a horse?
Of course.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Of course.
I mean, you're Canadian. I should know this. So motorcycles or cars?
Motorcycles scare the living daylights out of me.
Makeup or no makeup?
Pretty sure I had makeup on in that picture too. That was at a music video shoot.
That's fair. That's fair.
But yeah, no makeup.
E-boy or classic?
Classic? Green is such a crazy, it's not my color.
Thank you so much, Johnny, for playing our game. I have to have you answer this one last question. What is the lore that you want everyone to remember you by?
I think my goal always has been to, like, I really would love to be referenced in sessions. Like, I would love to make something that inspires other people enough to go and write their own cool, dope, and hopefully continues that. That's all I want, is for people to be inspired and make their own. I feel like music is so important.
I think that's a great way to end it, man. Like, go create your own music, you know, create your own stuff, and who cares what anybody thinks.
Bang.
All right, we should see how this bad boy turned out.
Did I get us in frame?
You
did. Bang.
All right, let's post it up.
Nice, let's do it. It's really only once in a while that I listen to a song and I immediately restart it and listen to it again, even with my own stuff. But I've been doing that more with these songs. I hope that doesn't come off in any sort of way, but I'm really excited about that.